You can create this kind of VFX video with the PIKA Additions. Unfortunately, PIKA's free version is not available right now. But don't worry. Today, AI Explore will show you how to create such VFX video in just 2 minutes. And of course, it's completely free. So, let's get started. I am using Kling Ai. Just select video. Select image to video. Select frames. Upload image of yours. Just a reminder, the photo should be taken from the front and show the upper body. I am selecting this male photo. Now give the prompt here. A monkey jumped to his shoulder. Wait for hours. Okay, here is the result. See, it is so realistic. The color, the grading, monkey's movement. What do you think? Just comment below. Now, let's try with another image. I am giving this female image. Now give the prompt. A snake crawls onto her neck. Okay, it will cut 20 credits. Keep waiting. Okay, here is the result. See, it is so realistic. But the snake is not fully visible. Okay, here is the free VFX creations video. Today, AI Explore is signing off today. Take care.